አሜሪካን ሀገር መጥቼ ሀብዬ ትምህርት ጀምሬ if I am able to achieve the things that I set my mind to እናንተ እነዛን ነገሮች አቺቭ የማታደርጉበት ምክንያት ምንም ምክንያት የለም። okay the difference between those people who achieve the things that they set their minds to and those who don't comes down to how consistent you are on taking the small actions that's gonna help you achieve your goal. That's about it. Nothing else matters. Okay? በየቀኑ ጠዋት ተነስተን የምንሰራቸው ነገሮች is it helping us move the needle ይሉታል in the corporate world? Is it helping you move one step forward? Okay? As long as you're putting in the work to move one step forward, there is no reason why you won't be able to start at 0 and get to the point that you want to get to. There is no reason. Okay? I can assure you that. I'm a living, breathing proof of that. Habiye jamre? No, is የደረስኩት. So, if you don't start ha ብላችሁ ዛሬ, tomorrow is another day. But if you start ha ብላችሁ ዛሬ, you're definitely going to get to be tomorrow.